polishing in spot repairing. When polishing, use fine grit sandpaper, a polisher and polishing pads, and polishing compounds. After spot repair, there are three distinctive areas: the newly sprayed area, the old paint area, and a transitional zone called the blending area. Start by wet sanding the blending area. Using low grit compound, polish the blending area with a soft pad. Use water to absorb the generated heat. Move on to the freshly refinished area using the same type of compound and pad. Use fine polishing compound and a foam pad on all involved areas. Make sure the final gloss of the panel matches that of the surrounding panels.